Once upon a time, nestled within the human body, lies a remarkable organ known as the liver. This unsung hero boasts an extraordinary ability that has left scientists and medical experts in awe for centuries. Imagine a majestic dance of regrowth, where the liver takes center stage as the star performer. When faced with injury or partial removal, it doesn't falter but instead springs into action with astonishing speed. Researchers have discovered that the liver's regenerative powers are so swift, it leaves one spellbound. Like a phoenix rising from the ashes, this vital organ has the magical ability to repair and renew itself at a remarkable pace. But wait, there's more to this fascinating tale. Amongst all the organs that reside within the human body, the liver holds an exceptional distinction. It stands alone as the sole organ capable of achieving near normal size from as little as 25% of its original mass. This means that even when faced with tremendous adversity, the liver resolutely strives to restore itself to its full potential. The story of the liver's resilience and regenerative prowess serves as a testament to the wonders of the human body. A tale of hope and amazement, it reminds us that nature itself holds the secrets to magnificent self-renewal. So, as we journey through life, let us marvel at the wondrous liver, a true marvel of regeneration and a symbol of our body's incredible ability to heal and thrive.